Hello everyone, we had solved few questions in the previous video and right now we will continue with the questions which were left. Let's see what's the next question. As you can see on the screen, question number 10. What does question number 10 is saying? Let S be a set 1 to 100, the number of non-empty subsets A of S such that the product of elements in A is even. So we have a set S which contains first 100 natural numbers, and they are asking us to find the number of subsets A such that all the elements of set A has the product even. Okay, so for every x which belongs to A, the product of, let's suppose there are two elements x1 and x2, which both belongs to A, then we want x1 into x2 to be any even number. Now how to solve this one? We have in total 100 elements. Out of those we are supposed to find the subsets A where the product is even. So when I say there are 100 elements, I can say the total number of subsets would be 2 raised to 100. Now we know that if I take any even number multiplication with another even number or itself, then I would get any answer as even number. If I take any even number and if I multiply odd number with it, I'll get even number as my answer. But if I take odd numbers multiplication with any other odd number, then I would get my answer to be odd. Now we want subsets where the product is even. So we can see that when I take such instances where both the numbers are even or any one of it is even, my answer is even. But when I take both the numbers to be odd, then the answer is also odd. So out of this total 100 elements, if I see what are the elements which will be able to create subsets where the answer is odd, can I say that all the odd numbers, if I take, then the subset of these odd numbers would also give me the product of elements to be odd. My goal is to find the total number of subsets where the product is even. To do that, what can I do? If I want to find total number of subsets where product is even, then can I just do this? Total number of subsets minus number of subsets where the product is odd, which clearly is total subset is 2 power 100, and there are 50 numbers, 50 elements possible which will give me the subset where product is odd. So total number of subset where the product would be odd is 2 power 50. Now we have gotten some formulation to this, but it's still not matching our options. So to do that, what can I do? I can write this as 2 power 50 into 2 power 50 minus 2 raised to power 50. I will take 2 power 50 once common from both of the terms, and what will be left? This. If we see here, it is matching our option B. So the answer to the given question is option B. Alright, I hope you understood this one. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 11. Question number 11 states that there are in total, we'll solve this one using Venn diagrams. Let's suppose this is our whole village, that is our universal set, that means 1000 adults. Now inside this there are three sets: the people who speak Hindi, the people who speak English, the people who speak Urdu. Out of this total 1000, they are saying that number of people who speak Hindi is 200, number of people who speak English is 300, and number of people who speak Urdu is 400. And it is further found that 100 speak Hindi or English. When I say Hindi or English, it means that either they will speak Hindi or they will speak English. That is any one out of the two. So I can say it is intersection between the Hindi and English people, speaking people. So intersection of, just a second, I'll write it neatly. It is union of H, because it is or, right? Or means either this or that, and means intersection. I was thinking a bit differently, my bad. What can we do? We have to take the union. So it would be what? 100. Then after that they were told the number of people who speak English or Urdu. Now to differentiate between this U and the sign of union, I'll just do this. Is 150. The number of people who speak Urdu or Hindi is 80. And finally it is also found that the number of people who speak English, Hindi and Urdu, here it is supposed to be Urdu. I have written English twice, but it is supposed to be Urdu. English, Hindi and Urdu. When I say and, it is intersection. It is 50. You are supposed to find the number of adults who speak exactly 2 out of 3. Exactly 2. Now let's see. We are saying that the total number of people who speak all the 3 is 50. So I can write this number is 50 here. Now the number of people who speak Urdu and Hindi is 80. So Urdu and Hindi means this part, but here there is already 50. So the total is 80, here it should be 30. Then number of people who speak English and Urdu is 150. English and Urdu means this part. That means here it is already 50, here it should be 100. Number of people who speak Hindi or English is 100. Here it's already 50, so this would be 50. Now if I just take these 3 parts, then I can say that there are people who are speaking 2 languages, but not 3, exactly 2. Either 30 people will speak Hindi or Urdu, English or Urdu, and here English or Hindi or English. So to see that how many people are speaking exactly 2 languages, I can add up this 50 plus 30 plus 100, which will give me 180. So the correct option is B.